Okay, Sam, you took a trade over here and that got rented and then you got back in, showing that you have very strong conviction in this price action or whatever pattern that is. But there is a problem. So I've drawn this little model that we are looking for. So if you look at it, what we want is some sort of price action that goes sideways, a trading range. Then we want the breakout, and then the first opportunity that we get is the first pullback and retest of that range. That's our first banana signal. Then after that it continues and we have the second pullback. We can take that as well, and sometimes even a third pullback could be something like so, like a retest of that. If it happens over here on the first, after that, if this one comes around and tests this, then that's even better, and it carries on, and then it would gradually kind of lose momentum and starts going sideways again. When you connect these highs from up there, like we have connected over here, it shows you the loss of momentum. So if I look at this price of this part of this price action here, there is what is the most important question that we ask first? That is where's the impulse move? The first initial impulse move that came out of a trading range. So this was not even a trading range to begin with, but there was, say, a pullback, a deeper two-legged pullback, and after that there was an impulse move here, and then there's this pullback, and I can see on your screenshot that you had a pending order for this, fine, pending order for this, fine, then delete it here because now it's pulled back too much, so not our signal. And when this happened and it pulled back more than enough, the setup was gone. Because when you ask the question now, where is the impulse move? Is it this one? Then there's the signal for that. That did not work because it did not break that clearly. It did not continue, and then it pulled back, so it's kind of losing momentum. So when you were taking the trade here, did you ask the question, where is your impulse move? And if your answer was satisfied in your mind that this was a satisfactory impulse move, then I have a question on that. Like, I dispute that, because this is not a very good analysis of where is the impulse move. This is the second wave in this, in the overall trend. This whole thing, let me draw that, I'm sure you'll see it now, is actually a wider trading range around here. So important thing to know is, the most important thing, is it a trend or a trading range? That distinction is important. And then you will ask, where is that breakout impulse move? Somewhere over here. Is it happening here or not?